I think the thing that makes Trinity unique is the sense of joy. People are so happy here, and people take delight in learning. That's important because when you're learning something new, you have to feel this sense of confidence. You have to know that you are loved and appreciated for who you are, for the mistakes you make, as well as the victories you have.
At Trinity, learning is a fun and lifelong goal. It's about being curious. It's about knowing who you are and knowing what you want, and then knowing how to go get that. When we hear children say, "I wonder how this works," we make time and space for them to follow that curiosity, to grow from wherever they are to where we want and need them to be so that they're ready for the next level. And we are not trying to make 3-year-olds first graders. We're trying to make 3-year-olds successful 3-year-olds who learn to play and play to learn with others. We plant seeds so that students' curiosity can grow. We cultivate that curiosity by making time and space for students to think deeply.
We really focus on making sure that students go beyond surface learning in our classrooms. Whatever the subject is, we encourage our students to really investigate and dive deeper into what they're learning.
Research shows the importance of high-quality educational experiences at every grade level. There is purpose and intentionality behind the magical, meaningful, memorable experiences of our students.
We talk to them about working collaboratively, taking turns. Trinity does a great job of making sure that we balance our priorities with academics and growing these children into kind, caring, compassionate adults to go out into the world.